Have you ever wondered what is neurodiversity and why it's changing how we view the human mind? Essentially, it's the idea that brain differences are natural variations, not deficits. Just like a garden thrives with diverse plants, our society benefits from the unique ways our brains process information and everyday experiences. To understand the neurodiversity definition, we must look at how it shifts our perspective from fixing people to supporting them. The neurodiversity meaning suggests that conditions like autism or ADHD are simply different ways of being human. It challenges the normal brain standard, celebrating the vast range of neurological wiring. When we see neurodiversity defined this way, we realize that every person's brain is as unique as a fingerprint. Historically, society labeled these differences as disorders. However, the modern movement explains that neurodivergent individuals have distinct strengths and challenges that deserve respect, accommodation, and a permanent seat at the table. Looking at types of neurodiversity helps us see the spectrum. For instance, autism affects communication and sensory processing, while ADHD might involve high energy and unique focus patterns. These aren't errors in programming, they are different operating systems that allow individuals to see the world through a completely different lens. Other neurodiversity examples include dyslexia, which affects reading, and dyspraxia, impacting motor coordination. While these present hurdles in traditional settings, they often come with incredible problem-solving skills and creativity. Understanding these variations is key to neurodiversity explained simply, moving beyond labels toward a more inclusive and empathetic worldview. Let's dive deeper into neurodiversity and mental health. While being neurodivergent isn't a mental illness, living in a world designed for typical brains can cause significant stress. Support and understanding can reduce anxiety for neurodivergent people, highlighting why creating accessible environments is vital for everyone's overall sense of well-being. The definition of neurodiversity also involves the social model of disability. This means that a person is often disabled by their environment rather than their condition. For example, a loud office might be disabling for someone with sensory sensitivities, but a quiet, flexible workspace allows their unique talents to shine. Neurodiversity explained means recognizing that different brains excel at different tasks. Some people are visual thinkers, while others are masters of logic or pattern recognition. By valuing these varied cognitive styles, businesses and schools can unlock innovation that wouldn't be possible if everyone thought exactly the same way every day. In our everyday lives, neurodiversity examples are everywhere, from the artist who sees colors differently to the engineer who spots tiny errors in complex code. These individuals contribute to the richness of our culture. Embracing this concept means moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to education. To foster a neurodiverse world, we must practice active inclusion. This involves listening to neurodivergent voices and making small adjustments to our communication styles. When we ask, "How can I support you?" instead of, "Why are you like this?" we build a bridge toward a more compassionate and functional society. Ultimately, what is neurodiversity? It is a call to celebrate the beautiful complexity of the human brain. By accepting that there is no right way to think, learn, or behave, we create a world where everyone can thrive. Thank you for exploring these concepts and advocating for neurological equity.